This is Easy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave from group on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook groups are fantastic spaces where you can share and interact with like-minded users around a whole host of topic, from sharing the view of your bedroom window to discovering the latest plant-based recipe to impress your vegan friends. There is a Facebook group for it. So what if you want to leave from group on Facebook? It's very simple. First of all, first we have to open our Facebook. Now you can just go to the group section in here. You can see all your groups. You can choose on the group that you want to leave. For the example, I want to leave from this group. Now, it's very simple to leave this group. You can just select on join in here. There is an option leave group. You can just select on that. After that, do you want to leave this group? You can just select on leave group. So now you have leave from that group. It's very simple, right? We'll show you the other one. Maybe this one too. Select on join, leave group, and you can just leave the group. It's very simple. So that is, if you want to rejoin, you can just select on join group. So that is how to leave from group on Facebook. It's very simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.